Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, of course you're influenced by Tommy E.
No, I wouldn't say that. But
Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
may I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
One, you don't know a Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, people. Wanna know when me forward out, wanna know the things that are ready. Zane, people. Me see a lot of people are ball feet. Anthony, forward. Sit down right here, so. My time for interview you. Because, you see when me done, everybody I get exposed. You understand? Because Alkaline beat the system. The same system. We did a hold on the youths. And that's why Alkaline is the man he is today. And all who follow the system end up in the ditch. People, you know when me attack. Zane, I know people are going to run out and come out and this and that. But let me tell you this, feed them brain eat out. You understand? Yeah man, I just a empty body just a walk and a yip yap. Is what me I try to say? Yeah man, but when you don't know when Media Facts forward, I forward with facts. And when me attack a facts and a straight facts. You understand? But people, I go play some clip. And as me say, listen keenly.
Stone to success, and I guess this is coming to my mind.
But why put your site at risk?
Well, take it this way. In the event that at any given time that I see that this will pose a threat to my vision, I just simply reverse it.
How do you reverse it?
Because remember, you know, people, Alkaline forward out. Zane, because this is the thing. The industry set up a way where you say you're an artist, you forward out, you can't just walk in a game so and just walk in a one producer studio, you know, and say, yo, I'm young, you know, yo, me a thought, no, they might run you out. You understand? Our artists established already would have to carry you a recommendation. Seem like how you go to the bank and you need a bank account and you have to have reference. And so was the dancehall. You understand? Alkaline go a lot of studio and them decline him. Is what me I try to say. So the youth have to come up with some strategy. See the same little thing where them I try to compare whatsoever. The youth say, alright. What me could I do, you know? I do something more. When me can see, cause this is the thing. A lot of artists forward out in the game. See, and them do a lot of things. But look here. After a few months, them disappear off of the dancer scene. Because them don't have the talent to flow with where them start with. Alkaline forward out. See? Him just come up with a story. Tattoo your ball. And we know that go already. See? But it's a contact lens him drop in. Smart move. Because the guy realized, yo, this industry, you have to bow to it for them let you through the gate. So the man say, alright, I do it my own way. Because remember, you know, back in the day, young youth just could come forward and just bust, so, you know. Either this artist have to carry them go studio or carry them on stage. You understand? With all of the artists them before, same procedure, but Alkaline take a different route. You understand? But he has to pay the price, which he survived and become successful. Now booking these artists on his own show. Yes, this is when he make a sacrifice of not bowing to the system. See? But people, listen what I say.
This is 21st century, so anything is possible.
So what, you know, Bounty Kid is going to call it the spawn of the devil?
This is the problem. People, you hear what Anthony say a while ago? Bounty Killer. Remember, Bounty Killer start the bowing system. The general system. See? That's why he will be the general, and the general, you know why? Because he carry a lot of artists on the stage and in the game to make people know them. You understand? But he never let them reach their success. He only put them on a platform to kind of make people see within them thing. You understand? So, your ear, remember, you know, the first person bring up a Bounty Killer. So you know, say, this is when everything started.
It's a Tommy Lee thing?
No.
So, this is the thing. Your viewer, you understand? Them and on stage are the same procedure them work with. Them are the industry TV. You understand? So you hear him bring up Tommy Lee. Remember, you know, Tommy Lee never do nothing with him eye. You understand? Him just roll it. But Alkaline come out with him tattoo. So they might try put. Remember, you know, hear what I'm going to say after this.
Oh no, definitely not. Persons are
Yeah, of course you're influenced by Tommy D.
no.
People, so what I'm talking about. This, people, when I realize it's the same procedure. Same like when Winford say, push the influence. You're influenced by Vice Cartel. Anthony, at this moment when Alkaline just forward out, you hear him say, you're influenced by Tommy Lee. This is the thing, you know. Remember, say, a lot of artists who forward in the business never get them pusher or them force ya. You understand? Because everybody have to influence each other. You understand? So it's like nobody could have just forward. Remember, you know, a lot of people can inspire you. All the same friend them beside you. But the industry only put the influence on one man. You understand? And the thing is that who else ever under the man the wings? Yeah, them gonna try to compare with them. So that's why you hear them talk about this Tommy Lee thing. Is what me I try to say. Pre this.
I wouldn't say that, but the thing is, you know, the irony. I sing songs about female sexual liberation. I sing songs about issues that affect the nation, such as social commentary. I sing songs about happiness, really. But this is us. Something to captivate the interest of many persons, and I think.
What sort of feedback you getting from people that are freaked out?
Some are freaked out, but they don't need to be freaked out, man. I mean.
So the youth explain himself on the interview. This is the thing, you know. A lot of artists in a dancehall, them don't have brains, and that's why them career don't pass even 10 years. You understand? Because music you have to be smart. You understand? The more smarter you be, and the more smarter you put your lyrics to use. You understand? So people can relate it and it create impact. Is what I'm trying to say. So Alkaline is a very smart youth. Seem like how them say Cartel is a smart brother. You understand? So it's just too smart person I do them thing. But you know how the system stay already. Everybody have influence. Is what I'm trying to say.
It's just to captivate interest because I'm a shock value artist and I bring theatrics and provocativeness to dance.
So what moment?
Remember, you know, Alkaline keep him words. You see that same line there where him say? Him stayed part on stage too. You understand? Yeah, man.
That is said.
Well, you don't know. Well, my father is 100%. He's okay. But my mother kind of disappointed. But what has been done has already been done. So it's okay for me.
So when you look in the mirror, what is it staring back at you?
I see a limited edition, a youngster who is out of this world, literally.
Impressionable kids out there, don't be a copycat. Scleral tattooing can lead to blurred vision.
This is the thing. Artists sing a lot of things. See? And all the while people follow. You understand? Because people have common sense. Is what me I try to say. Hey man. So nobody now go brief say yo, just chook knee with an iron one bag of thing. See? But you have people who listen and try and ray and tay. You understand? But it's just common sense. You see it? So Alkaline just do him thing for people get him attention so him can put out whatever product he has and him talent to showcase him talent. And he does that. Look at him today. Keeping his own shows. A lot of hit songs. Versatile, everything. You understand? The man himself. You see it?
Glaucoma and a host of other eye-popping problems. Hope Alkaline also realizes that the procedure cannot be reversed without causing blindness.
People imagine the youth is a very smart youth, you know. Alkaline, yeah man. He's a smart youth. Say hero Anthony read out everything, you know. In an Alkaline man, him just a laugh because him know say he's a contact lens. Him have been so him not have to worry about no procedure or whatsoever. You understand? Him just want the acknowledgement. Him just want people to see. Say yo, him is a talented artist. You see me? Yeah man.
Sure looks scary, doesn't it? It's like bound to get a cause of the spawn of the devil. Wow, give me a line.
This is the thing. Why? You see, this is the thing, you know. You can know who is stamped with the industry. This is the second time if ask the youth if Bounty call him the devil or whatsoever. See? So what's the problem? So if every youth come out and do things, is Bounty is this attacker where them know, like or seem like we have some type of police, ticket police or this a police or police go up and raid or go for ban. Is Bounty killer? What do you call it? Is Bounty killer is a what kind of police now? A police where ready to criticize young youths, Zine, or what? Maybe him only know for criticize than for call the youth and say, youth, this not right. You understand? Or maybe true, if you not come under film wings, he might just criticize you and Ray and fight you out and all of them look something there. You understand? Because this, remember, Alkaline forward out young, You understand? Him forward out young. And when you're young, you do a lot of things where you grow up and you mature and you realize, yo, some crazy thing you've been doing in the past. He's Alkaline forward out young in the game. But he play a lot of chess move. He sight the whole down system. And that's why him get away from it and look at him today. Because if you look at Alkaline today, from Alkaline bus about 2013, if you check the artists of bus, the majority of artists of bus after Alkaline, right? He is the one is on top. You understand? Yeah, man. Alkaline is the one at top. He might lead them. All of the artists them were boss after Alkaline, and he might lead them. And it show you so Alkaline have him own system. You understand? The other rest of them under the same system where all them down. Is what me try to say, cause none of them weak, them love handouts, them love take the easier route. You understand? And that's a problem.
Come back to that. Let's see how quick you are.
Well, I sing songs about things that affect the nation, so I just say, me no see nothing about none at all, and I never true me not to me, no not run come like it a crowd, but me a kick up and make car time, yeah.
Yeah, man. That's Alkaline. You understand? The youth forward out young and just do him thing for people can see what go on. Because a lot of these artists, where them say giant and whatever, them when them just forward out, them never did really a sig nothing for really uplift the youth all the time. I be a guns and this and that. Even Bounty Killer. When Bounty Killer sing about gun and them I say, yo, one bag of gun lyrics and all of them look someday, them get beaten for that too. It's just that this is a modern generation where, adjust the mindset, whatever happening in the society, the artists, them are going to reflect that in the music. You understand? But people, I'm going to play a next clip. I'm want to listen, people listen keenly. You understand? Because this is the thing. These industry, TVs, Zine, Alkaline, show up a lot of these people. And based by the question that they ask, and them always bring him up just to make him look bad. But people, may I play that clip here?
On top if Cartel is in prison. Cartel is in prison and even then you're not on top. It's
people. That are the problem, So you realize, they all these TVs is all on Vice Cartel side. If you listen how them talk, right? These people. So, him say Vice Cartel they are prison and Alkaline is not on top. This is when Alkaline have the hot song them are run the place, because first of all, Anthony, if Alkaline wasn't in that top space, you wouldn't even interview him at the moment. Remember, say, majority of the time when people call people for interview, means say, them are going with that thing at the moment. You understand? But here Alkaline got to say,
Chronics and a couple of other people who are on top right now. What's keeping you from the top?
I think I'm on top.
So, this is it, people. So, this so you know, he might try to throw Alkaline under the bus. Because you hear what him say a while ago. Him say, why keep him off the top? When him know the youth on the top. You understand? Because in this time, Alkaline had drop him hit song and every little thing. That's
It really harsh, really overlook. I'm relatively new, things just take a little time.
This is the thing. And that's why in the industry, them quick to say people fall off. You understand? That is a problem. Because, remember, a lot of artists go prison. See? And them not get the chance or have the links for Cartel get. You understand? Them not have the endorsement for Cartel get. For even push them power out when them in a prison. You understand? So, Cartel not the business for 30 years. See, Alkaline just a forward. Just a doing thing. And one thing I rate with Alkaline, them have patience. Because them never rush. Enough of them dancehall artists a rush. That's why them go bow to man. Because them want easy run. You understand? So things take a little time. And look at Alkaline today. The patience we have. Is what I try to say?
Time not necessarily on his side. Other young DJs like Popcorn, Tommy Lee, Gage and Version also influenced by Vibes Cartel and doing their thing.
You hear it a while ago, people. All of them name the way them call out. When you see how the industry work, you hear what them say? All of them artists the way them call out, inspire by Vibes Cartel. This not have nothing to do with Alkaline. So basically, I tell you, say, yo, them the artists are influenced by Cartel, So Alkaline, Afi, influenced by Cartel. But hear this.
Alkaline rejects any comparison with the jailed Gaza boss. Don't you want that?
See here, Alkaline reject the comparison with the jail Gaza boss. Jaja. Me I tell you, you see when you're an industry puppet, yeah man, you can be a prison man and things just work for you. They might ring your name, they might carry up your name and everything. That's how you think, say. You see me? People, remember you know. You hear him ask Alkaline a while ago if him borrow things from Vice Cartel. And Alkaline said, never see him like, oh, people want to listen, you know. Zine, I want to listen, people. Zine, here you again.
Person with the jailed Gaza boss. Don't you want that Vice Cartel? No, I mean, I mean.
See, hear what him say? If him who adept to Vice Cartel, mean you credit something or whatsoever, you owe something. You understand? Alkaline say no. The same people want to listen, you know. The same question where Winford asked him if him when him asked Alkaline say yo borrow. And Alkaline say the same thing where me borrow. I tell you people read how the interviewer them asked the same Alkaline the same question them, you know. Show you said it was all a plan.
I mean, he exploited a lot of things in music. He was the first to do a lot of things in dancehall music. So I mean, any artist who come close to that is gonna be up for scrutiny if being a possible copycat.
That is it. This alright. You see how the industry work, people? Nobody, nothing says like this. You see a man go down there so and forward up with yam, banana, everything. See? And you go down and you see that and then you see one man go down there so and the man not forward back with nothing. See? I say, yo, what on? What you do now, I say, yo, we go down there and see what on. But this is the thing. The man will go down there so go get the yam and banana. Even come up back and I tell you, say, yo, down the rough, you know. Rough man. Beer. Crocodile down there, one bag of thing in a pan. And then the man over there so now. Seeing? Him say, yo, everything good, man. Very. Seeing? But when you go down there so now, with the yam and everything, when you go down there, you realize that nothing not there. Seeing? Nothing not there. When you look across over the other side, you realize that over there so the crocodile there, that's why him not get nothing. So Alkaline take the route where it will be the hardest part. Not for them take it easier route and not end up get nothing. You understand? So that Alkaline do. So that's why the comparison is there. Because Alkaline did it bravery. The man come out with something. So yo, forget the people. Because what Alkaline do, I take the attention of a cartel. You understand? That's what them do. Because majority of them bow. So it's like, them now go try go over this man or whatever I might try do or whatsoever. That's how Alkaline become successful today.
So you own nothing in terms of your career development. Nothing.
So this is the thing. The man just asked the man a while ago say if him owe cartel anything with film career. This is the thing, you know. It shows say these industry people trying to put these young artists' career at this man's foot. What kind of question that you're asking, Anthony? I look at young youth to try to do your thing. You're trying to put the local youth career at a man's foot. You understand? But Alkaline I go tell you why.
I'm not a Gaza artist.
That is it. Great answer, Alkaline. Not a Gaza artist. You understand? Because this is the thing. When you want to push the youth career in a cartel and you understand? And the youth are doing thing by himself. That's why the youth say that. You understand? Because they see the strategy and everything wanna try to do. You see it?
Right on the scene, fully formed with your own identity and persona and personality.
Most definitely.
Would you say you're a naturally gifted DJ? Do you use autotunes?
People, this are the thing, you know. They might try push the autotune thing for Alkaline from way back. See? Yeah, man. So that's why Alkaline got answer that way.
Artificial means used to embellish your sound.
No, natural.
You have problems in the studio.
I have no problems in the studio. Who gave you that idea?
See it? That is it. Because Anthony I do some investigation, he might hear some people and he might ask some questions. That's why Alkaline say, who tell him that? You understand? Who give him the idea there? But Alkaline, I go rather him now.
Never heard that before.
Never. This is new to me.
and you don't use auto.
Take a little time, things take a little time.
That is it. Anthony, uno never win. Me I tell you no. The plan we wanna have, uno on stage, the plan we wanna have for damage your career, it never work. And you have to smart for dodge them. You understand? Because we know see a lot of artists would have failed already. You understand? Yeah, man.
Oh, my son.
If you were to sum up yourself to people who, want a little bit more clarity about who Alkaline is, what would you say about yourself that, they hadn't maybe thought of before?
I think a lot of it enigmatic. I just do what I want to do. Yeah, I just live my life and I enjoy my career. Yeah, and I cater for haters, no time.
That is it. We not cater for haters. We not watch haters. We just do what we have to do. You understand? A lot of artists can't do that. Them can't focus on them craft. You see me? Years now, them a hate Alkaline. And the youth just a beat them bad. You understand? Yeah, man. Focus on your work. Now watch the haters. You see it? Yeah, man. Because the same man where you hate, so when them see you, them ready to be a friend. Yeah, man. Because them not real. You see me? Because you have to hate for a reason. Enough of them I hate for no reason. You see what I'm trying to say? Yeah, man.
I think that's what attracts a lot of people. Yeah, a lot of persons want to be themselves and want to live their life and not matter what people want to say and they can't do it. That's what I say. So them upset, even the haters them kind of upset channel. Which we could.
You know what Alkaline explained this, so? He must say a lot of artists in the industry want to do certain things, want to do things by themselves. But because them afraid, them can't take the backlash. You understand? Them have to just wall out and try to be a different person. Just to suit the industry. You understand? So Alkaline be himself. You see it a showcase himself to the industry. Him not act no fake or whatsoever. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man.
Certain things, but I choose so. And them just see this young 20-year-old just do what I want to do. And them just bad mind. You see me? So I just say, go.
Yeah, man. A real talk, man. Them want to do what them want to do. But a bad mind. And all the bad mind forward in, a lot of them see Alkaline and do him thing. Zine, and through Alkaline I get the most talk about, I get the hit song them and everything. And nobody them say, yo, nobody can program him. And him a dominate over them. Them start for bad mind him. That's why I hear them come up with that thing. Oh, him live in a Vice Cartel shadow. Yo, yeah man. Him live in a Vice Cartel style. Him copy this. Yeah man. That's their response. All of them who say it are just because them bad mind Alkaline career. Them not like hear him name. Enough of them are true, them can't reach a level Alkaline reach. You understand? So them have to just bad mind and play it off. You see me? Yeah man. But people, this is it, See? So Alkaline show new rules. Remember the first new rules in Jamaican, so say Anthony call up the promoter. Zane, but this is the thing, These industry TV always I try to damage Alkaline name and him brand. But I'm going to play a video I make on hear.
But clearly in this video, it was most difficult. He will speak to the media. He will be trashing the police on stage. Then cartel with all of the demonic and the girls and the ranchness and all the lewdness. These are the arts that we actually see go.
So this is the thing, people. These are the promoter. Seeing? You don't know from Magnum. Seeing? Magnum people, them. A part of new rules in 2017. So you hear the man tell you, The man tell you say bounty and cartel get the backlash. Remember, them talk about gun. You must say your cartel talk about freakiness, devil thing, all of them look something. Remember, so when cartel come out, you must say your daddy devil and all of them thing there. You must know God, all of them look something there. But I'm tell you with cartel thing now. Cartel thing different. It's not always about the music. You understand? It's about the power we have. The fear we put in our people. So a lot of people afraid to come talk. Because what? Pressure go reach them. You understand? So that was the problem in a dancer. The fear to talk and say certain things. So that's why it's enough people pick that side there. Because they're afraid to talk. You understand? It's an easy way for them to say, yo, Ray. You understand? Yeah. Because when you're over this, you're not going to get no harsh or no backlash or whatsoever. You see me? But here where promoter say.
To the top of our charts and see the public really laud and say this is the man.
Alkaline, he says, more of an unknown quantity.
Most of what the perception of the public is about our client is their own perception. It's nothing that he has done himself to have them think that way. The only thing close to that is what happened last couple weeks to the police. It's just on public perception and personal.
People who remember when the police calling Alkaline, you know the whole of them, you know, bring down time. You see when Alkaline come in by, you know, Cartel gone to prison. You see it? So when I them own Alkaline now, you know, a lot of them happy, you know. Enough of them happy. Them I say, yeah man, the boy if got jail, man. Yeah man, where I'm sure nah go keep. Yeah man, be a bring down. Yeah man, all of them look something there. But look here now. You see because them hate the youth, because the youth never in a Jamaica, you know. Them try to come up with narrative and story. I talk about, yeah man, him this sing that in a song and ray. When majority of them, all them owner, boss, seeing them daddy, sing about a lot of things in a song. You see it? Yeah man. But nothing never bring up because of them afraid of him. You understand? But Alkaline, I do him thing, them try to mix him up, them try to, you understand? So, you don't know, Marvin lawyer and everything, case beat and everything, because nothing never really did it. You see what I try to say? Yeah man, nothing never really did it for him. You see it?
Knowing exactly where he stands, to say, okay, is that type of person? And is that Cartel? Or you're making your own comparisons. So basically, it's easy.
You see it? I'm going to tell you this, people. A lot of people in the industry see what I go on and see what them do to Alkaline and the comparison and every little thing. You understand? And I say, yo, what is? Only just the youth are doing own thing and I try to compare. Yeah man. People in the industry see what I go on. You see it? And that's why the brother talk.
First, we need to manage Alkaline. With all the perception that we have about him, I mean, still easy to manage.
But Alkaline not exactly rated as a performer. One of the reasons perhaps he stayed out of the public eye.
And
you hear what he must say? He must say, Alkaline is not a good performer. Back in them time there. Fine. But for sure you him ready to bring down Alkaline. So him said that. Zine, fine. Zine, Alkaline is still fresh. Him just found out. Him not even gone 5 years and I'm thinking it. You understand? So we understand with that. But the problem is what him I go say? Him a hide. Him say because Alkaline can't perform. Zine, him a say that's why him a hide. You understand? Which is wrong. Is what I try to say. But you know Anthony, them is an industry plan for try to bring down the youth. You see me kind of go against the industry. But here what the promoter go say after that.
Cartel was a known performer either, but he still managed to capture the imagination of everybody worldwide and locally, and he's known as the most phenomenal dancer artist ever, without being the best performer. So what Cartel...
So you hear brother explain it. See? Because a lot of people afraid to come talk like how the brother you're talking. See? So you hear the brother say, yo, although Cartel, I know one good performer. You understand? But him still have a certain tick off in a certain things. You understand? Because remember, you know, hype and this and that, you know. You understand? Bag of hype and certain little things. Everybody want in at the spotlight and you don't know. Everybody want get talked about. Everybody want in at the spotlight by doing things or whatsoever, influenced by certain things. Is what I try to say. So, him have that. Is what I try to say, because let me tell you, Jamaica itself, a lot of people, them kind of have a certain brain. Them brain kind of lack of knowledge. So it's like certain little things them just easy to follow. You understand? Yeah man, them Jamaican thing build off a hype, you know. Everybody want video, everybody want do the same thing. Whatever I go and I run the place, everybody want in it. You understand? So they can get the highlight there. You see me? Yeah man.
As in his favor, is a slow pitch. Come March 25th and see for yourselves if Alkaline is grown. If it's just the music or the man, or it's both.
Non-aligned artists like Shaggy and Taras Riley apart, the new rules line up showcasing performers closely linked to Mavado, like Jamil.
So people, it was a magnificent show. Alkaline 2017. Great show. And the youth fouled out and dominate on the stage. Yeah man, dominate. Young youth. After about 4 years, a 4 or 3 years. Seeing? But 4 years of time career, the youth of him show. Such a magnitude thing. You understand? It's a good look for the industry. You see it? Yeah man, for pull so much people. Yeah man. As them say about 20,000. For pull so much people. Trust me, it's a good look for your young artists. Is what I try to say. And the fight to the youth I get. You see it? Cause before the show, them they want to get lockups on a show couldn't keep. You understand? Yeah man.
Because I mean, with a lot of notice, not generalized, you know what I say? Yeah, but at the same time, Jamila find big songs. If you never find big songs, you would not talk about me at the end of the day.
But at the end of the day, what? I'm prepared to speak up for Alkaline, still taking flack from several quarters, including other DJs.
This is the thing, you know. You see, anybody will link with Alkaline or in an Alkaline circle, they will go get the same touch where they are touch him with. You understand? So in a them time you don't know Johnny forward on the movement, him the book for new rules and thing. You see me? And once he's an artist and go up on Alkaline show, you gotta get payments. You see what I'm trying to say? Yeah man, I saw you things set. The industry no want nobody who are linked with the new rule boss. You understand? The one who set the new rules in the game. You understand? For himself. And for a lot of young artists where you see today, where boss without nobody carry them go studio or nobody carry them on stage to make people recognize them. You understand? Yeah man. Alkaline open the doors there. We know enough people now will like it, but that's true. You understand? Because you never have so much young youth a boss so. You understand? Without certain little entourage or certain little group endorse them. Alkaline forward and change it. Because after Alkaline, a lot of artists boss. Even Massacre. Because Massacre did it all long, him go around conscience and everybody. And after Alkaline boss, him boss, because of Alkaline though, him open the doors of people seeing and acknowledge, say, look here, young youths can do it. You understand? Without nobody even push them around or push them to the forefront. You understand? And so comes all other artists fall in the game and start do them thing. You see me? Create them own team and every little thing. Yeah man.
I think I'm better than you around. Watch now.
Why do you think the show is going to the round?
This is a problem, you know. So Jamil said the show will go ram. See? Come in by now. A lot of things that are going, you know. So everybody wants to see what happened at the show or what Alkaline are going to say. You see it? Yeah man, in them time they're the most anticipated show at that time. You understand? So but Anthony now, you know him play him a try Billy's Alkaline thing, him go ask the man but how him know say the show go ram. You hear him talk down on the show for sure you. Yeah man, that's what them do with it.
Anticipate people don't work at Jamaica. And if you go hear Alkaline song, if you care about your Alkaline song, some people look forward to this one. A good idea, great idea.
As for
yeah man, that's how the thing set. You see it? Yeah man. Although Jamil in the thing, you see me man them do them own thing now. But you don't know. Jamil did have to forward and talk the facts. You see what I try to say? Yeah man. But people, me have a next clip for play. See it? Yeah man, me have a next clip for play man. Cause this is the thing you know.
interesting takes on cartel.
See? This is the thing you know. So this is a producer. I'm not supposed to name is a producer where they produce Coffee Lockdown. You understand? CMER man. Come here turn up the touch, you know, me not play, you know. You understand? Come on, everybody see what I go on, you know. Come remember, you know, when me done, you know, it's a series me I make. You understand? Yeah, man, I'm one of the people them listen keenly. See? So this is a producer youth. See? Yeah, man, where produce Coffee, Lockdown. You understand? Him did their own popcorn, them and everything. So you know, say, he must swing his guys away. You see me? Yeah, man. But for sure, yo, this is a producer, you know. This is a producer now, Vice Alkaline, you know. See? But for sure, yo, them always want for bringing Alkaline in the thing, for try be listening thing. You understand? Because Dean Ray have nothing to do with Alkaline. Them could have just interview Dean Ray and that's it. Zine? But look at now. Him end up bring up cartel, but I don't know how Alkaline reaching at this. But you see, because them plan if it just bring down Alkaline thing, hear this.
And Alkaline, Dean Ray with some interesting takes on both. He's 48. How can somebody who's 48 still have that level of a lock on the Jamaican psyche?
See the interview man him say his musical DNA enough of the artist. I'm another like his pattern, him tattoo, the freaky girl song them, the ranchiness, the
you see, these are the thing, you know. You can know when the sheeps attack. Yeah man, you can know when them attack, you know, cause they have to make it thing look good. You understand? They have to make it thing look good for the guys of us. You see what I try to say? Yeah man. But listen what I say.
the shock value in music, people pattern cartel style. You see me? And cartel will always have a space in dancehall. However, we have new means and sources.
Yes, cartel will always have a space in dancehall because you know put majority of the artists them career in a theme and so you go always pattern dancehall. Every majority of the artists them come, my feed do a collab with him. They have to bow, they have to yo, anybody will say Gaza on stage, all of them look at something there. So if the whole of them are bow to him, he must I go in at that time, yeah. You understand? Yeah man. Cause one to the other is an artist them. You see it? How they not do that with Movado? See? How they not do that with the other is an artist them in the game. Is what I try to say. Because this is the thing to inner people. Remember some Movado bring melody in a dancehall. You see it? They never say anything or say him influence nobody. You see what I try to say? And him put him influence even cartel and that. But what? Them never put none of the youth them way forward we are sing melody. Them over other thing. So I'm sure I say, yo, them want to put everything under cartel wing. You understand? Cause this is the thing. See him like how cartel for the road and say all of them DNA in him. So wait there. So move out to bring in the melody in a dancehall. So one of the artists them we are sing melody. For example, like Jamil them and Valiant them, all of them artists there. Eh? That's for sure no. Or the bowing mentality and the fear. Wanna put all every artist's career in a one man shoes. Yeah man.
Get out music, so the competition is going to be very harder for him, same way.
So you're one of his musical children?
Of course.
People. Me tell you, you can't hide. Can't hide, man. I tell you, the whole of them weak. That's why they don't really reach far. Them weak, man. Them weak. Make him all say all know. You see what happened?
Is Alkaline one of his musical children?
You will me not know. In my
Alright, remember you know. Him say Alkaline, him no know. See? Remember you know. Remember say over the years him say Alkaline copy this and Ray. Him say him no know. Zine, come here try show you know. He might try sit down and he might plot him and say, yo, I can't say that, you know. Can't say that. I have to go forward and say something. Remember, you know, a question been asked if Alkaline pattern or inner whatsoever, if a female musical artist, if a Vice Cartel and musical artist. So him say no. Him say him don't know. So, you know, say nothing will come after that, right? Here where am I go say no.
opinion, Alkaline have him own style, but in think for
People want to listen to that. Yo. A man say Alkaline have him own style. Here you know.
have a cartel thing.
Alkaline have him own style, but him pattern of a cartel thing. People, tell me how that makes sense. If a man have him own style, him have him own style. What you mean by pattern of? I mean I understand. How feed this a man style or Alkaline style? Bro, me tell you already, you know. We don't make the industry brainwash you, know, bro. And that's why you know reach certain level, you know, the whole out, you know. You see it? Cause we know say you do things to popcorn and they run popcorn and every little thing, bro. But we have to stop follow the industry and make it brainwash, you know. You understand?
Is it? And when you see Alkaline music and the whole area, you know he's a fan of cartel from long time.
Bro, oh boy. Chano. May I tell you, you know. Remember, you know, this was the man say him don't know. You saw the man change him words? Cause think him a think, you know, him have to say them something, you know. Him have to say them something, yeah. Yeah, man. Remember the man say him no know, him no know. Now the man a say, this the man say Alkaline have him own style. Then him a say him pattern off. Has to be studied.
You see it? But if him the team with cartel, him probably would have bust and depend on the level when depend. Can we speak there?
This is the problem. Him say, if Alkaline the Ray, him probably wouldn't bust. But you no keep on compare Alkaline to a cartel flow or whatsoever, you know. But maybe if him did do that, he wouldn't bust. Then how do you bust and dominate over the same artist them? Right now. Where him endorse, where cartel endorse, how Alkaline surpass them. And at them, they run him. A so-called pattern. And it's Alkaline pattern cartel. See? And them now gone away, you know. But Alkaline a reach a certain level. You see, say bro, now contradict on yourself.
Raw shoot, you see them.
Brother, you're not talking a raw truth, bro. From the get-go, you say you don't know. Then you change your words.
We wouldn't depend on the level because cartel have Popcorn and 600 other artists who is very talented.
So you hear what him say a while ago? So him say, cartel have Popcorn and 600 other artists. See? And a one artist from the Gaza, where we can say, yo, him a dominate. Him thing, they on a different level from Alkaline and a Popcorn. You understand? The other rest them, no reach level yet, them no see level yet. You understand? So him say 600, you know, Popcorn and 600 other artists. So that means say, we know say right, Popcorn thing they on a level, but the 600 other artists last. Them no reach the level where Alkaline reach it. You understand?
You see it, so Jamaica feel off a negative energy. So just the fact that cartel versus Alkaline him done both already.
Brother, you know you're not talking no facts. You a say, cartel rival this a man. Seeing? Ray negative. But him done boss already. Me not understand. Me don't understand, brother. Look how much artists go against cartel, bro. A lot of artists, couple artists do Ray against Cartel, brother. You see it? Enough of them with him. You see it? And them still not reach a level, bro. You see what I try to say? A Alkaline talent make him reach and make him bust. If Alkaline never have a talent and him fall out with the eyeball thing and never have a talent like that, him thing would have fall off, bro. And the talent with the youth, this not have nothing to do with Cartel and him a go with rival or whatsoever, bro. You understand? At the end, from the get-go, at them, at the industry, people been pushing up Cartel with the youth career. I try to tell the youth, say, yo, if you give Cartel special ratings, when you have major how much artists out there, where even way before Cartel, bro, where Alkaline could have given, but a Cartel if you get the special ratings. Uno, over the year, the industry try to push the youth. You understand? The rivalry. Even Cartel, him sing song for the youth. See him like when him sing Little Blind Boy, all of them look something. So him been giving the youth attention. You understand? Remember when Alkaline forward, him no business bow nobody. You know what I try to say? Uno, want the youth bow and give such man special ratings. You see it?
And that also keep Cartel hot because all of the young people them follow.
My glad. Zine with the people.
Because I know, say, alright, who want you a Cartel officer?
Alright, people, listen keenly. You know what I'm saying already? That keep Vybz Cartel hot too. But tell people already. I know battery work with negative and positive. Seem like you care battery. Zine, Alkaline are the positive, Cartel are the negative. You see what I try to say? A lot of artists over the negative side and the thing over positive. If you realize some Cartel release from prison, I be Alkaline name a call. Remember Alkaline don't in the media. Alkaline just release music and them take that music they seem like how them say them copy Cartel. Them take the music and say yo, a Cartel them attack. Everything the youth do, them run out. Yo, a Cartel my pattern. Yo, see them a follow Cartel away too watch. Yo, Cartel do this, him a do this. Yo, you know do interview for years, a Cartel my follow. When the youth interview plan way before Cartel come a road. So them attach over 10 years now, or 11 or more years now, them been comparing Alkaline. Been doing it. And the youth that's a successfully grow because him now meds them. You see what I try to say? But what the youth just say a while ago, the man say, yo, it even highlight Cartel too. Because these people, if Alkaline never in a dancehall, all this back and forth and this two allegiance, Vendetta and Gaza, that wouldn't do it. It maybe would have been just Cartel thing alone. You see me? And Cartel, if you have an opponent, if you keep himself even current too. You understand? Because when you're checking a dancehall, everybody are frenzy with Cartel right now. Majority of the artists are frenzy with Cartel. Alkaline alone. So that create an energy in a dancehall, the back and forth. The fans them are gonna say this, and other fans are gonna say that, and Ray. While the artists them are tweak them little thing. You understand? Man come do interview, say this, man come do interview, say this. Make it place nice. You understand? Yeah, man. So that are the thing, people. Is what I try to say. So them I try fight down the youth thing. You see it? Yeah, man. So if you interview them interview people, them have to bring up the youth. Cause seeing like how the youth say, Alkaline make Cartel thing even get a energy too, based on the back and forth and the energy. Because if you realize the same interview, you know, he might talk about Cartel, you know, and then he add Alkaline in it. So the interview we are now, enough people would even view it. So the two same man them are calling a dancer today. Vybz Cartel and Alkaline. When Vybz Cartel do a show, check in and comment them. Gaza people might run out. Yo, Alkaline can't do this. Yo, Alkaline ticket cheap. Yo, Cartel ticket them more expensive. Ray. That create a energy. So the two man them a feed off of energy right now. You understand? And that's how the thing say it's just natural moves. I saw the thing go back and forth. Verses. You understand? That's how Alkaline say, yo, the man want to shake up the place. You understand? Yeah, I just Alkaline that. But people, they play that interview. Yeah, recent interview, man. But it show you at the same thing. Everything. Zine, Cartel thing alone forget prep up. But look how them go. Look how the same Anthony I try belittle the youth thing. You see it? Here.
Crown Prince, people thought that was Dennis Brown, who's the Crown Prince of Dancehall.
I'd say Alkaline.
These are the thing. The brother, yeah. I think my promoter in Canada and think. I remember I try work up to get Cartel bookings over there. First Canadian promoter to get the bookings. Even Popcorn they do a thing and them have a fallout and everything. But him say something about Alkaline. You see it? And remember, this is a promoter, See? So, them view the music on certain levels. and who are the crowd pull and who can, you see me, put money in them pocket on the real way. But here what I say.
Every single Alkaline show we've done, which is about 6 of them, we've sold out every single one. But bringing that gentleman.
This is it. This is it. You understand? You what the brother say a while ago? Every show sold out. Every show. A little juvie. You understand? If a promoter can tell you this, you know said confirm. And this is in Canada. You understand? Because look here, who they Jamaica might eat Alkaline because of the money and because of the industry. You see me? When jump over, they maybe not rate him. But you see when him go out there in the world, is a different energy. You understand? But here what the brother say.
On stage, and he, no matter what, doesn't have to sing a song, he sells.
Cartel talks.
So you hear this now? That are the problem, you know. That are the problem. Hear what him say? Alkaline have to drop a song. Him sell. And we see it. Anyway, Alkaline touch. And nothing normal. You see it? See you go stands where there and have to change all the venue. Bigger venue. Yeah man. Mash up your place. Yeah man. The youth have an impact in a dance hall. You see me? And no matter if you don't like him or what, the youth do it. Is what me I try to say. And remember, the youth just gone him first in the game. And the youth are going good. You understand? A lot of artists were boss after Alkaline. Them not make it for the 10-year career. Yeah man. But here the brother say.
So everybody reaches out, is friendly to everybody, is accessible. Alkaline.
This is the problem now, you know. So the brother say Alkaline are the prince. Which Alkaline not do with, let me tell you this. Alkaline try to stay from the industry accolades. Him no want in a no king thing and all of them something there. Them there, him know them there for the industry dancehall thing. Him no want be no king or what. That's why I'm saying, yo, him no want no fame, give him fortune, you understand? Him just want to be great. Him no want no king thing or whatever. So Alkaline now means no be no Bobby, no prince or whatever. No. Him not in other world. Him a pre money and pre the music and try to uplift the culture. Is what me I try to say. But look at now. You see, because Anthony always a bring down the youth. You hear what he must say about Cartel. He must say, yo, Cartel accessible. See? Area.
And is inaccessible.
So basically, him say Alkaline inaccessible and Cartel accessible. This is the thing, you know. Remember, you know, Cartel fought from prison. See? And him a do him thing. Cause me know say, see? True, a man fought from prison and him a do one bag of interview and all of them look something there. Because this is the thing, you know. Cartel thing, not that structure, you know. I'm gonna tell you why. See? Remember the look at Trinidad thing. See? Trinidad thing with the Ray and the brother put out the statement. Remember Cartel have a manager. And Cartel himself come out and explain everything. Which as an artist and professionally, you're supposed to put out a report. You as the artist, you're not supposed to come out and address certain little things. You understand? Yeah man. So sometimes you wonder what go on so. But Alkaline thing now, you think you can run up and just link Jay-Z so and link Beyonce and say, yo, come here so yo, every interview. No. Look on the international artists them. You can't just get them if you just do anything so. And also the thing work. You understand? Them have them team and every little thing. Is what me I try to say. Vice Cartel might have him manager and certain little things and people. But when you check it, him come out to the forefront and deal with it. So you wonder more while. You see me? But Alkaline thing now inaccessible. The youth just selective because we know how the industry thing work and the people them work for the industry and them go and try to corrupt the youth thing and try to damage him brand. You understand? Because they no focus on music and careers and them something they know. Them only want to focus on to bring up a next man and try to compare and talk about slackness and drama and all of them look something like that the industry people them deal with. You understand? That's why Alkaline do the interview with the BET. You see it? But man like Anthony now, him a part of the dancehall industry. You understand? And them don't know to rate Alkaline because them see how powerful him be as a little youth forward up. So them a try any little thing for try make him think look lily or look away. Is what me I try to say. Because see there, Alkaline have an interview forward up with nationwide. Is what me I try to say. Because what you want him, enough of them journalists or so-called interviewer where you see in Jamaica. Yeah. G it be a controversy and drama them bring. I ask them one bag of question there. Them don't really focus on music. Them prefer bring it down. Yeah, and call up one bag of man name and all of them look something there. But here I must say.
That is true too, and maybe that's a part of his, you know.
This is the thing. The brother say, that is true. Zane, But I saw the thing for work. You understand? The man have to protect him brand. You see it? A professional move. You see, if majority of dancehall artists did act professionally in a them career, them would have reached far. But them not a professionalism in a them career. So that's why them thing and them brand get discriminate and criticize. Because they not protect them brand in a way where you make the thing structure. Rather than them have people, if you speak for them must speak. And then know say, yo, the words that come out of your mouth can affect your career down in the past, yeah, down in the future or whatsoever. You see what I'm trying to say? Yeah, man. But you now go get that with Alkaline. Alkaline do them thing professionally. And you can't cause a man to do them thing so. You understand? Because it's not about inaccessible. When me know say enough of you down here, you can't call Jay-Z and Beyonce and certain artists are foreign and get them to come to the interview. You can't do that. You understand? You can't even say, oh, bookings way like that, bro. So now try discriminate the youth because I'm in team and in professionalism we him have and in structure and business or whatever him offer for try criticize, but you're not inaccessible. That with Uno. Uno same one even mash up the artist them career. Cause look on the interview with Jashi. And see the youth that talk, but you know ask about them look a question there and themselves bring down the youth. Brand and all of them look something there. Yeah man, that you do.
The fact that you can't just reach out to me. But yes, I would say that would be my...
This is the thing, you know. Anybody can reach out to Alkaline. You see what I try to say? But you see, because a brother, you know, he want cartel thing, you know. So he must say anything. He just want to show there to make the money there. You see me? But this same man said the same thing and I try to take the side with Anthony. But him was the same man who say him do 6 show with Alkaline and it's sold out. Has to be studied.
I crown Prince of Dancehall right now and I would say cartel is...
You see what I try to say? But I saw a thing setting up people. You have to make the new people them know what are going on, you know. You see it. And you see people, that's why a lot of artists forward out and fail. Because them take the other way than to take the route to Alkaline take it. Them seems, you understand, them look at it as the harder way to go. When, brother, yeah, build your brand and build your thing. You understand? Vendetta today. Imagine Alkaline as a local youth, I watch them artists here on stage I do them thing. Never know him could have be this artist today on a magnitude where him same one. Fame brand we him have. About the same artist him when him little a group and see them a perform. Imagine. The smart move and the youth go the route where the majority of them go and them career just douche after a while. You understand? But you don't know his thing said. Alka, just go and do your thing. Cause remember, you are going to reach there. Because you just gone 10 years in your career and it look good already. Enough of them will call down your thing. Them now live for 10 years. You understand? With for them career. So go and do your thing. Yo, people, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah man, when I don't know media facts. Yeah man, that is it.